Welcome to my beginner's guide of trading stocks with Robinhood. Today I'll walk you through the basics of investing with the simple to use trading platform to get your journey started. Throughout the video you will find a hidden gem allowing you to get your first stock free, valuing up to $200. So be sure to stick around to the end if you don't want to miss out on your free stock. I have over 5 years experience with this platform, so feel free to reach out to me on any questions you may have. I'll be happy to help you. First thing first, you're gonna head over to the App Store and you're gonna search up Robinhood. Sorry about that. After you get Robinhood, you're gonna sign up. Quick disclaimer, you're gonna have to enter some personal information, including your social security number. Why you have to do this? Because stocks and investments is connected to the IRS. The Robinhood is gonna send you a 1099-B form at the end of each year, which you're gonna have to file your taxes with. Quick story, like my first year investing in stocks, I really didn't know much about the tax end on it. You know, I had a 1099 form and I took it to file my taxes, but the tax accountant didn't really know much about it either. And what happened is I ended up getting audited because I didn't show the IRS my facts about what I was doing with the taxes. So I got audited and I ended up getting a $30,000 bill from the IRS, and I didn't get my tax return. So to help you guys avoid this situation, you have to do your due diligence and you have to know that you must file taxes with your stocks. It's real simple actually. Now I actually resolved my issue and it taught me through the process, but to help you guys, just know you will have to file taxes when you do any taxable events. Now, I'm gonna keep it brief. A taxable event is when you sell your stocks. So let's try not to be selling stocks too much, but you can. It all depends on the approach that you want to take. Okay, so now that we have a Robinhood account, you're gonna have to fund your account. How do you fund your account? You're gonna need a bank account. Link a bank account into your Robinhood. You're gonna have to link an account. And that's how you're gonna be able to buy stocks, because when you link your bank account to Robinhood, you can, add money, and that money that you add to Robinhood is gonna allow you to buy the stocks. Exploring the app. Okay, so when you're exploring the app, on the main screen, you're gonna see what your portfolio balance is. You're gonna also see the stocks that you have purchased if you scroll up. You also have a watch list. The watch list is basically stocks that you pick to keep an eye on. You can add any type of stocks to your watch list that you're interested in. And you also have a search bar. Your search bar is gonna allow you to basically search any stock that you're interested in the click of a button. Buying stocks. To buy a stock, you simply click on the stock that you're interested in and click buy. It's gonna give you the option to do something called a set limit buy. So what that allows you to do is you can set a limit that you might want to buy a stock at. It can be, you can just buy the stock at the price that it is currently trading at, or you can set a limit so that you can say if a stock is $1 and you want to buy it at 90 cents. You can set the limit to buy those stocks if they hit 90 cents. And it'll automatically buy the stock for you, however many that you decided that you wanted to buy. To sell a stock, you simply do the same thing. You click on the stock that you're interested in selling and you hit sell. Real simple. You can track the performance of your portfolio by simply going to the account section. Once you get to the account section, you'll find a summary of basically all your wins and all of your losses. Now let me say, it's very important to do your own research on the companies that you are interested in investing to. Robinhood gives you 2 options, plus there's many other sources that you can find information. But Robinhood gives you a brief detail about each company that's listed on their platform, and they also drop news updates on whatever going on with the stock. So if you go down, if you scroll up, you'll when you on the stock and you scrolling up, you're gonna see news about the stock, and the news is gonna tell you about some things that's going on around the stock. And these things, it can influence your decision on if you actually want to buy or if you actually want to sell. Okay, so now that we know the basics of investing in stocks, let me tell y'all a quick story on how I got invested into the stock market. So long story short, a friend of mine introduced me into stocks in Robinhood, to be exact, about 5 years ago. I really didn't know much about it, but I downloaded the app and I simply added like 30 bucks into my account. And now, at this time, I wasn't really heavily invested into investing itself. I was still young, I was still learning and working and doing other things. But I added $30 to the account and I bought one specific stock. The stock that I bought, I basically did like some research. Like I did a quick Google search, like what's the top stocks to buy. I advise you guys not to really do this. You can do this, but you have to do a deeper search. You can't just fall into the trap of just believing what anybody say, because the stock market can be kind of crazy. It's a lot of people just want to push the prices of things and then they sell and they end up profiting. But anyways, I actually got lucky. I got a stock. I bought $30 worth of the stock that I found on the Google search. And then, let's make a long story short, I just stopped using Robinhood for a good 2 to 3 months. Next thing you know, something told me to open the app back up, and it was $300 in my account. And that's what hooked me. I almost dropped my baby. But yeah, that's what hooked me. I turned $30 into $300, and basically that opened my eyes to the possibilities that Robinhood could do for me. If I can turn $30 into $300 without doing no work, that got me, and that's what convinced me to stay in this, and that's what helped me, through this 5-year stretch, because the possibilities are endless. You can literally go from $1 to $1 million. All it takes is time and patience and educating yourself. What I'm gonna do for you guys who stuck around, I'm gonna drop a link in the description, and might drop a link right here. And what this link is gonna allow you to do is gonna take you to Robinhood. Once you sign up for your account, you and I both are gonna get a free stock valuing up to $200. So take advantage of this. You might as well start your investing journey now, because better late than never, but you want to start now so you can grow and grow and grow. So in 5 years, you can have this amount of money compared to this amount of money. You know what I'm saying? So take advantage of this link that I'm dropping in the description, because it's going to give you the option to receive $200 in free stocks. Why wouldn't you jump on top of this? That's $200 that's giving you a head start. I got some more videos coming that's going to be more in detail on how to use Robinhood, like more efficient, how to buy stocks, when to buy stocks, when to sell stocks. So stay posted, because I got some gems, and I'm going to tell y'all how I went from this amount of money to this amount of money. So if y'all want to figure that out and figure out exactly how I did what I did, be sure to stick around. Be sure to watch these next videos that I got coming for y'all, because we finna go from zero to hero real quick. Gotta give y'all a round of applause. Congratulations, y'all have just learned the basics of investing in stocks with Robinhood. Remember, start small, do your own research, and make good decisions. Make smart choices. All choices are smart, because you have to fail, you have to crawl before you can walk, and you have to learn through the process of failing. So congratulations to you guys. Be sure to stick around to see what we got coming up next.